iPhone 9, iPhone SE 2, launch delayed due to delivery delays. This is due to an outbreak of coronavirus. As you know, Apple is preparing to launch its budget smartphone iPhone 9 or iPhone SE 2, which is currently at the final stage of production verification. However, now there is information that Apple has decided to release this new device in the second quarter due to delays in the supply of components, which is associated with an outbreak of coronavirus. iPhone 9, iPhone SE 2, launch delayed due to delivery delays. Despite the fact that the Apple iPhone SE 2 is ready to start producing Foxconn and Pegatron factories, you should not expect the smartphone to appear on the market this month. Earlier, numerous rumors indicated that the smartphone will be released before the end of March. According to unofficial data, the iPhone 9 will use the single-chip Apple A13 system, as in the iPhone 11. The RAM volume of the iPhone 9 should be 3 GB. The screen will have a diagonal of about 4.7 inches. The price is expected in the region of $400 to $500.